Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Canva templates to quickly start a project. Alright, so let us search for templates. So I'm going to search project and let's choose one. Maybe this one. Alright, let's customize this one and click on customize this template. Alright, so here is the template, and you can customize this however you like. You can remove text, you can remove um, objects, and you can replace text. So let's try to replace this. And also the other pages, you can customize it and adjust the text. You can also change the color, anything that you want. Alright, and when you're done customizing everything, when you're done changing everything to your liking, then you can download the file. You can choose whether to download it as PDF, images, and even MP4.